Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The service loader in Java is a part of the Java util package that provides a simple service provider framework. It allows you to discover and load implementation classes of a specified service interface at runtime. This is particularly useful for applications that need to support pluggable components, such as plugins or modules. Key concepts. 1. Service interface. This is the interface that will be implemented by service providers. 2. Service provider. This is a concrete class that implements the service interface. 3. Service configuration file. This is a file that lists the fully qualified names of the service provider implementations. It is located in the meta-inf/services/ directory. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1, define a service interface. Create a service interface that providers will implement. Step 2, create service provider implementations. Now, implement this interface in one or more classes. Step 3, create service configuration file. Create a file named meta-inf/services/com example.greeting service. The path should match your package structure, and list the fully qualified names of the service provider classes, one per line. Step 4, use service loader to load services. Now, you can use service loader to load the implementations of your service interface. How it works. 1. Service loader.load. This method looks for the service configuration file and loads all the service provider implementations listed in it. 2. Iterate through services. You can iterate through the loaded services and invoke them as needed. Compiling and running. 1. Make sure your directory structure matches your package structure. 2. Compile the classes using javac. 3. Run the greeting app class. Example directory structure. Example commands. To compile. To run. Output. When you run the greeting app, you should see. Conclusion. The service loader is a powerful tool in Java for creating extensible applications. It allows for loose coupling between components and facilitates the implementation of the service provider interface, SPI, pattern. You can easily add new service providers without modifying the existing code, simply by adding new implementations and updating the configuration file.